Hello and welcome back. My name is Mahindumbar, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide WordPress menu options for the administrators from other different type of users. Sometimes you create a website for the clients, and the clients are not so technical in website things, so you may need to hide some things or some options that may confuse your client. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that by the use of a certain plugin that you're going to see, so that we should allow our clients to access only the areas or only the spaces that will not confuse our client. So with that much said, let's start. So this is my WordPress website that I've created. It's for some school, and I've finalized it. So in this video I'm going to create to limit the client, the teachers who use this website, not to access the technical parts such as pages, such as user sections, those sections where they can be confuse things. So I'm going to limit them from accessing those sections. Their task will be just to log in and do what, and post and manage the posts and the comments. So you can do that with WordPress user types, but still WordPress user type is limited. So with that much said, let us start working on it. So I'll put here stroke WP admin that I should log in. So I'm already logged in. There we are. So I'm going to add some plugins. There are two plugins that I'm going to use. It's a plugin and it's having a pro. It's called Admin Menu Editor. I'll upload them and I share them with you, so you can download them if you want to use them. So there are two here. So I'm going to add the first one, which is the core. So I'll come here to plugins sections, plugin section, and I click on add new plugin. And then I'll click on upload, and then I'll come and do it and come and upload this plugin. See, admin menu editor. So I'll upload the core one, and then later I'll upload the pro. Has finished, so I'll have to activate it. It has finished activating. So let us upload another one. So I'll drag and drop the second one here, which is the pro, and then click on install now. So it's done with the installation. I'll then activate it. I'll put the links to these plugins in the comments, in the description section. So there we are. So instead of allowing our client to access all these sections, I don't know, plugins, slides, HTML blocks, all these, they may end up confusing our client. So I want to create for our client a clean environment of things that the client will understand. So first of all, I'm going to create the client's account. So to do that, I'll simply come to users, and then I'll add an account, add new account. Oh, there's so many users. I'll delete them. Okay, so when I add here new account, I'm going to do what? I'm going to provide an email for my client. Do I have their email? Let me see. Okay, I have one of the email for this school, so let me go and get it. The email is here. Let me get one of the email. I'm going to just use this one as the email. So I'll put the email there, and then after I'll put the username as same as email. I can put maybe the name as Lukman Primary. I can say admin. Okay, so after I'll have to put the password. The password I'm going to put should I put? I'm going to put a simple password that I'll change it later, so I'll hide it. Let's confirm using a weak password. I'm going to use this user to be a subscriber. You can use any of those one. You can even create another user type, but I'm going to make this user to be an editor. Okay, so I'll add new editor. Add this new user. Okay, so we have created one more user. Now let us log in either in incognito mode. Okay, you can either log in with either in incognito mode, or you can log in with what? With another browser to test that user. So I can create a new incognito mode, or I can open Opera Mini. Okay, let me open Opera Mini. Here I've been using what? Google Chrome. So I'm going to open Opera Mini and log in with what? With Opera Mini. So it's going to be Lukman from our school. This is another browser because we want to test if what we've done is going to work. And close these things. Okay, there we go. So I'll have to come to login. I've already put for them here another link for logging in, so they can as well log in from here. So click on login. Okay, so they'll give their username and the what and the password. And click on remember me if I want. So I can click on login. So this is the client logging in, and we're going to see the things that the client will be able to see. So can you see the client is going to see so many things: insights, posts, media, so many things that some may even confuse the client. You see all these notifications, all these things. So I'm going to hide these things. I'm going to hide unnecessary ones, so that the client should see only things that they are interested in only. So to do that, I'll go to a plugin section, which is called you know, I have two sides. This Opera Mini is the side of what? Of the editor or the teacher. This side is the side of what? Of the web technicians who created the website. So I'm going to go to menu editor. I cannot see it. You can simply go to the plugins. Where are the plugins? And then you go to editor. You go to menu pro editor. Here you can click on settings. And so there we go. Okay, there we go. So in this section, we are going now to start doing what? Editing, what the user should see. First of all, you first select the editor. First select the user type. You see all the user types that in this website, they are here. So I'm going to select the editor. Remember, a teacher, we made him an editor. So I'll click on editor, and then when you click on editor, you'll see all the possible things that the teacher can do in these sections. Okay, you can see all the menu that the teacher will see. Here it's having dashboard, and you can see here the teacher is having dashboard. The teacher is having posts, and here is having posts, something like that. So everything that he has here is we're having it in the another copy. So I'm going to deactivate things that I don't want him to see, or that I don't want teachers to see. First of all, don't deactivate dashboard, because if you deactivate dashboard, then it means that they will not see shit. It means they'll not be able to log in. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove just insights. Remember here under dashboard, maybe there is insight, this section. I don't want the teacher to see this. Let me see. I would want teachers to see this section. They may confuse stuff. Or I can just keep it for them to be seeing how people visit the website, but let me keep it hidden for now. So I've unchecked it. So dashboard issue, it must be there. Don't hide dashboard from teachers, otherwise they won't be able to log into the dashboard side. So after hiding that, what else? You come to posts. So in the side of posts, under posts, when you click here, they'll show you the subcategories on this side. You see, under posts, for example, we're having all posts and add new posts and tags. So I'll leave for them all posts, I'll leave for them add new, I'll leave for them categories, I'll leave for them tags. No problem with that. Under media, click here on under media, we have library and add new. So I'll leave also the media, because they'll have to upload media files anytime, pictures and the rest. Pages, do they need to access pages? No, because they're a bit technical. So if I don't want them to edit any page, I can just hide it, and then they won't be able to see it. Let us first save and see what is going to happen. Save. Then we will go back to the Opera Mini and see what the teacher will be able to see. See, the teachers have accessing pages and these insights. So let us click back again to the dashboard, and we see. To refresh. So can you see? The insights is gone. The insights is gone. Then the posts are there, the media is there, and pages are no longer existing. So that's how it works. So I'll go back again to editor and remove unnecessary things that the teacher may not need to know. Comments, let them see comments, no problem. What else? Modular, this is a plugin menu that the teacher may not want him to see, so let me hide it. I have projects. I don't want to see the teacher see projects. I don't want teachers to see HTML blogs. I don't want to see the teacher to see size guidelines, contact 7. Do I want to? I don't want them to see it. This is technical. I don't want them to see users. No, for the users, let me leave, because they can add other teachers for them by themselves. So let me leave the users section. I don't want them to see where are we slides. I don't want them to see, what is this? This is empty section. Remove it. Appearance, I don't want them to see the menus. I don't want them to see the appearance, like setting the theme and the rest. I don't want them to see that technical section. I don't want them to see wood mat settings. You see, this is the settings of the theme. There's some wood mat settings. I don't want them to see that. No contact. I don't want them to see that. Wood mat, I don't want them to see that. That is the theme that I'm using. I don't want them to see those things, so I'll hide it. I don't want them to see users. I'll want them to see it, no problem. Tools, I don't want them to see tools. I don't want them to see WPage Baker settings. Settings, I don't want them to see settings. They can see it. For the sake, maybe they can want to. No, I want that. But you can still select what you don't want them to see exactly. Writing, reading, you can still select here which one they should not see. Let me remove it, everything. And then I don't want them to see any SEO section, for example, for now. But later I can teach them, and then I can show them the meaning of everything. I want them to see this section and the insights. So I leave for them users, I leave for them comments, posts, and media. Then I save. So let's come and refresh now. You see, the teacher will see the thing that he understands now. So that's how we limit the user not to see everything. So we can go ahead and do it, and hide even the comments, like and hide the different sections such as the notices and the rest. They can as well hide those ones. So but basically that's how we limit our customers not to see what we don't want. Let me show you how we can hide those things. Where do you see it from? There is article, delete menu, hide the preventing. I wanted to show you how we can hide I wanted to show you how we can hide things like these activities, these notices. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, and they're here. You can see them from here. Like if you don't want them to see some different sections, so let us say we don't want them to see some meta boxes, so have to select an editor and then select here meta boxes. First select the meta box, then select the user type that you want to hide. So it will first process those meta boxes if they were hidden. I mean, if you had not done it before, and it may take time, so I'll pause the video. So I don't want these users to see some dashboard widgets, so I'll have to click dashboard widgets, and if you're doing it for the first time, it will be a little bit slow as it is processing. Then I'll click on editor, and then I'll select, you see, I don't want the user to see these kind of notifications in their dashboard, so those one, call them dashboard widgets. I don't want them to see for this monster height. I don't want them to see for this monster insights. I don't want them to see site health at glass activity. I can leave for them. SEO news, I don't want to see that. I don't want them to see that. I don't see these. Yeah, so let me save. So this is the dashboard of a teacher. Let's refresh now and you see what you can possibly see. See, you'll only see what? The news that have been posted. You'll only see the news that has been posted. So I'll dismiss this, and then you'll only see what matters to him. So you cannot see even other things like the one that you're having. So we have I think those are the things that you can limit. So he's having a clean dashboard that will not confuse him, even though he's not that much technical, does not have that much technical knowledge. So all what he needs is just to log in, stroke WP admin, and then the teacher will have or a client will have a clean space of things that we will understand: creating a post, managing media, comments, and maybe creating other users. Indeed busy. That's how we do it. I hope that's how we do it. That's how we limit the clients from accessing unnecessary sections in the menu and unnecessary section in the admin menu and unnecessary widgets in the main dashboard. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Hello Gambachi.